Good morning, this is Clay, and I'm coming to you from the chess den in Marlow. We're going to have another Rivals match today. It's going to be me versus Ian on Lee Chess here. Ian is rated a little bit below me on eChess, but he thoroughly slaughtered me on the last time we had a match here. And he's a tough opponent, and he's got a positive score against me in pretty much all the formats here. So it's going to be very tough here. And we're going to do our best. Anyway, it's going to be a 12-game match. We're going to start out with 3 games of 5 minutes and 3-second increments, and then we're going to have 3 games of 3 minutes and 2-second increments, and then we're going to have 6 games of 1-1 bullet. I think I'm probably going to break it up into 3 different videos here, so they'll probably run maybe 15 minutes apiece. Let's see what we got going. Okay, now let's create a game. Play with a friend. 5-3. IWDVT is Ian on Lee Chess, and we are off and going. Should be able to see the there's the score of our last match on the bottom of the screen there. You'll see I lost 13.5 to 4.5, so we'll see if that comes up a little bit here. Let's start with d4, see what happens. Alright, knight f3. Let's see, what do I want to play? Let's play bishop g5. Throw him something a little bit different. Make him think I prepared something. Have I? No. Just going to throw him something a little different. Throw that bishop out on g5. See if it makes a difference. Okay. Well, we'll back that up. I think we want to keep that bishop. Let's play here. I want to give him bishop a6 right away. Okay, now will I play c4 or c3? I guess I'm playing c3. So this is sort of an identical setup here, but my bishop is on h4 instead of being on f4. Now, let's play like we're going to play e4 here. Not sure we are yet. Probably. Right now he doesn't have knight to e4. Okay, so he's rook to e8. What is he saying to me with that move? So can I go d takes c? If I go d takes c, it brings open that b6 square for his queen. Is that necessarily bad? I don't know. Or I can break with e4, and then I'll have an isolated d pawn most likely. And then do I want to let him work against it? Let's try this way. Let's open it up this way. As you can see here, I have a 2104 rating. He's got a 1990 rating. Now one would think I would be favored to win some of these games here. One would think so. Now I have bishop to b5 with a pin. Not pinning a whole lot at this point, so let's go with the break here. And see what kind of pawn structure we get out of this. This shouldn't be too bad for me. This is a playable position. Okay. So now I have the c4 square. What do I do with the c4 square? One would think I would like to occupy that. Alright, let's occupy the c4 square. I have to keep up on time here. I'm already down 40 seconds here. Looks like a very reasonable position to me. If he goes knight to here and here, I'm going to bring my bishop back, cover that. This bishop may be coming back anyway. How is he going to develop here? I think my ideas may be rook to d1 here, maybe bishop back, queen here, push e5 and go for a big old check and mate on h7. Okay. So, I want to trade that bishop and sink my knight in on d6. How's he going to do that? Did I get that? I kind of like that, actually. Yeah. That can't be too bad. That's sort of a constraining pawn here. Knight to d6 looks rather interesting. Okay, well, what about queen to e4 here? Then knight there. Alright. Knight to d6 looks useful at this point, because I really don't like his bishop there. And he doesn't have knight takes e5. I'm sort of liking this now. Bishop b5 might be a real threat here, actually, too. Let's see, bishop b5 doesn't really pin anything. Just double threatens that. He'd have to go knight to d8. That's awkward, but is it fatal? No, not terribly. Let's see here. I can go for queen to f4, hit that pawn. Then he's got to come up. Then I can bring my knight to e4, plant it on e6. But that preserves his bishop on b7, which I'm not sure I like. Oh, aren't I winning a pawn here? I think I'm winning a pawn on d4, aren't I? Yes, I am. That looks like the more solid route to take here. Okay, yes, I did win. Am I winning 2 pawns? Is he going to go down to b2? He wants to go down to b2, but that is 2 pawns. That's 1 pawn. Okay. Alright, so let's see here. Should we trade? Trade? I don't think he wants to trade. No, I don't think he wants to trade. Let's see, let's protect these pawns. Rook to c4, an idea. Rook c4, h4. Alright, I got time factor happening here. Let's see here. Take. Queen to c2 I don't like. But this is starting to look good. Stopping knight to d4. Alright, do I have anything here? Okay. What's the meaning behind that? Oh, it's getting tricky now. Uh-oh. Did I make a boo-boo? Oh, did I make a boo-boo? Oh, I think I'm still okay here. Let's not get sloppy here. Not get sloppy. Okay. I guess I gotta take here. Oh, crap on a stick. He got me again. Son of a bitch. Look at that. Oh, schnicks. And I'm down a rook here for nothing, aren't I? Oh well, there goes one. Okay. That's a pisser and a half. Alright, give him the French defense. What has he got now? Now he's pissed me off. That was a completely freaking winning game, and I just could not find a winning plan here. Okay. I have high confidence in this stuff. Let's have some fun. Really? Okay. I'm all about that light squared bishop there. In fact, I'm all about your G3 squared too. Now, his idea here is to exploit my weak pawn there, right? Do I care too much about that? How is he going to do that? I don't know. I think I'm okay with that though. What's that about? What am I missing here? That's a check, all right. There's that. Let's see here. It's a good square for that guy. Why don't we take control of this file here while we can. Pre-move this one. Where's he going with that? What does he want to get annoying here? Takes, check, check. So I go here. He takes that square, then I take the 7th. He's got knight coming to e3. Can I hold this for a second here? What am I doing here? So you got any threats? It's going to be coming to e3. No, not really. Let's get rid of this weak pawn. Or advance it at least. Okay. And that's fine. I would like to trade some pieces here. Let me see. Any tricks here? Rook takes. No back rank threats. No, actually I can go this way because he can't go take on f6 now. So rook takes is going to be rather forcing. Okay, one would think I couldn't lose this, could I? Okay. I wasn't forcing. He's got that guarded a sufficient number of times. Unless I do something like this. Which would be rather awkward if he doesn't want to take now. And he doesn't want to take, I'm sure. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, and he's not going to take it now. So, but now when I take, he's not going to be threatening the bishop or anything much, right? So here. All right, we can trade the rooks off. I'm definitely not afraid of trading the rooks off here. In fact, I might just trap your knight there if you're not too careful. And he's going to be careful, as he should. And he wants to win a knight. Wants to win something back there, doesn't he? Is he going to get to f6? Is that going to be good? Let's see here. Can I trap him again? Knight traps are going to be the theme here. Let's see. If I go bishop there, he goes and takes there. If I go h4, he goes knight to d, e8. And we'll be attacking that. That's rather unfortunate. If I push g4, make him push that knight, where's he going to go with that knight? To h5. Or d2. Then I can kick him again on d2. All right, I'm going to try that. And of course I didn't see that. Ay, ay, ay. Now I gotta go down into an end game. I have no advantage whatsoever. Man, I just suck. I just suck here. Alright, come in here. He's got the outside pass pawn again. I'm just terrible. Okay, I want him to get that pawn forward a little bit. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I can create some sort of passed pawn. I would like a passed pawn a little farther away from his king. Okay, he's going to push that one. I understand why. I'm going to have to stop that with my king, basically. Get some activity over here. Okay, so now he wants that. He says I can go there. All right, I'll come back this way. I guess the strategy of beating Clay is just to give him a pawn here and hope for the best. All right, now we got a weakness. I'm in the ball game. I am in the ball game. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Tick, 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 tick. Guess I got to take here. At least got a square. That's some progress. Okay. Throw a Chekariski in there. Let's see, he's going to win on king position now? I don't think so. I don't think so. What if I go here? Let's come back. Let's draw him out here. He's not going to be able to fork me. I guess I'll offer a draw. All right. Well, now he's going that way. So, which way do I come now? Take, 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 take. Here, here. I'm going this way. Okay, now he wants to go that way. Question now is, where do I go from here? Come back. He's going to push me. Okay. Come there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I may have blown it again. I think I may have blown this one. Maybe. Maybe not. Here comes the technique part. I don't have it. Okay, so now here. trap his knight now. Where's the knight going? Knight's going over there. There's that knight going. Okay, here. Uh-oh. I don't like that either. Oh my god. Trap. No trap there. This is terrible. Down on time, down on position. What can I stir up here? Down 2 pawns. Went from a pawn up to down 2 pawns. I am that good. I am that good. Yep. All right, here, there. Uh-oh. You might have had a winning move there. Okay, attacking C3, he's coming back. Now he's going to push that pawn here. If I take there, he pushes. I move my king, he takes there and pushes there. I'm not playing that. No. Alright, I check. Back. Okay, check. Here comes the pawn push. Here. There comes the push. And Clay's about dead now. There goes 3 pawns. Oh wow, really? Okay. Okay. Oh, he's just toying with me. The sadness of it all. I resign. Down 2-0. I'm getting dominated here. Alright. Go. This is going to be... Come on. Give me your Sicilian. Give it to me. Terrible. 2-0. Go. 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 Looking rather symmetrical, but then again I've got an extra move in here as white. Can't be bad, can it? Look at that. Guy I outrate by 100 and some odd points. And I just can't seem to shake this. Okay, let's see here. Takes, here, there. Terrible. Okay. Go. Stay ahead on the clock. Get my position out. Chess is not that complicated, right? No, it's not. Now I can aim for bishop to g5 here. And have a pin there that's going to get rather uncomfortable. He doesn't like that pin, and I can see why. Now if I come there, you can take, and h6 comes in. Takes. Is it that bad? Or I can take on d4 and then knight to d5. Yeah, let's do that. drive that guy off that diagonal. Kind of like that diagonal. That can't be too bad for me. He's got a little bit of a bind going here. We think some trades are going to happen on the C file here inevitably. No. No, he says. He's going to push F4 on me. Push F4 and then go F6. Am I impressed by that? No, not terribly. We are taking over the C file, pal. All right. He says he wants some of that. F there, huh? Well, F that, as they say. Let's see now. Take. I don't think you have anything on that file there. How about we trade all that? Uh-oh, did I miss something? Ooh, I did miss something. And he missed it too. There was an in-between take on G3 and F2 check, which would have been painful for me. Let's see here. Can I take here? I believe I can. And then I can go F3. Oh, wait. Well, queen to H4 right away. Have to worry about queen to H4. Queen to D7 though. And I can go to G4. I kind of like that. Now I'm threatening rook to C8 also, trading off some critical pieces. That's a weak pawn over there. All right, let's see here. I don't think he's going to be terribly comfortable with that. Mass infiltration we got here. A check, all right, it's a check. Okay, but that doesn't really threaten much, does it? Not at this time. Let's trade rook off. Let's okay. Now once that h2 pawn is what he wants. What if I go bishop there? If I go bishop there, then he's going to go f2. Then I go bishop back and reclaim that file. Very complicated stuff there. What if I go king to g2? I'm going with that. Okay. G5. Now, what do I do on that? I think I'm going to scooch my king this way. Let him take that. All right, you can take that. I think I'm going to murder you over here. I don't think you're going to survive this. I do not think you're going to survive this. Let's see here. Now, it's going to take. Okay, bishop g5, exclamation point. Here. How about there? There's a checkmate there, isn't there? That's a checkmate, isn't it? He brings that bishop to there, doesn't he? Gets away from there. I don't want you coming in that way. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright. I'll make him find something else here. He says that's it, huh? Alright. I'll take that. I don't think he could do that one. Let's see, do I have to take that one? I probably should, actually. I think I'm okay with that. Oh yeah, here, I'll take that. Give me that. This has to be good. Can't lose this, can I? This should be an easy win, right? Good night. Walk them home. Here we go. This is over. This is over. This one's over. Oops, I got something hanging down there. Might as well come back and protect that. Okay. Night night. Good time to resign. Okay. Clay gets on the freaking board. Alright, now we're going to go 3-2. Oh, man, that is just rough. So, 3-2. Play with a friend. 3-2. Rated. IWVT. Go. Oh, he's requesting a 5-minute break. So that's time for a break in our video too. So Ian wins the first part of the match 2-1. We're coming back on the 3-2 on a separate one. We'll get that up as soon as possible. It's a beautiful day outside. And we're going to get our revenge on the 3-2. See you on the next video.